This is the end result of the finger coiling technique. Hi guys, welcome to Curl TV. Today we are going to see about a styling technique, and this styling technique is going to help you in achieving a uniform and well-defined curls. And this technique is none other than the finger coiling. Watch this video till the end. I'll be sharing how to do finger coiling, what are the benefits of finger coiling, and the result I've achieved by doing this finger coiling. Also, the products I used will be in the description box. You can go and check it out at any time you want. So guys, come let's get started. I just washed my hair with a shampoo and conditioner. Shampoo is from a product called Giovanni and the conditioner is from Arata. So for finger coiling, you need a curl enhancing creams and gels, and these creams and gel has to be very slippery and creamy and thick. Why? Because when you are doing a coiling, if these products are slippery and creamy, that ease out your work. That's the main reason you have to go with a product that has a lot of creamy and a slippery texture. So for that I just choose a product from Fix My Curls, that is a Mellow. This is a hydrating deep conditioner. I'm just going to use this as a leave-in today because this is very thick and creamy in texture, and I guess this will help me out in finger coiling. And on top of it I'm going to add a gel also. This is from a Cantu. This has a very good and thick creamy texture, and this gel, I love this gel a lot. So no further delay, let's get started. So for this you have to wet your curls. I'm using a spray to wet my curls. For whatever styling you are doing, you have to just make a note, you have to wet your curls first. This requires a lot of time and patience. This is not like a scrunching one. And above all, you have to detangle your hair completely. So now my hair is soaking wet, so wet now. Let's take like a partition and we'll work on this. So I'm just taking this product. This is the amount I'm taking. Going to apply it all over. You have to wrap it. I'm going to apply the leftover product on the other side. I'm taking this gel again. I'm doing the same for the gel. You can see the products are saturated well in the head. So come let's get started how to do this finger coil. I've just applied this leave-ins and gel. I'm going to part this hair. I'm going to take a small part from that. You have to coil it. Use your middle finger, keep it like this, use your middle finger and coil it. Can you see this? The bouncy curls. The same you have to do. So if you find some parts you need more attention, then you can recoil it. So look at this part, it needs little more attention and it is quite frizzy, so I'm recoiling it. So we'll show you guys once it's completely dry. Try clipping your hair all over, that's had volume, and prevent your hair from falling into your face. This is the end result of the finger coiling technique. Coming to the advantages of this technique, number one, its definition. The definition of this technique is a bomb. You can see the definition is uniform, juicy, and the spirals are going to be perfect compared to the other technique. And if you are in a transition period or a new to CGM, then you can blindly opt this method because you are going to work on each stance of your hair. And if you have a gray area or gray hair or lot of colored hair are faded, then you can try this technique on those areas. And one more thing, if we personally have certain part of hair that is completely frizzy, that is not going to obey to us, that is so disobedient. Whatever the products we use, whatever technique we follow, that is not going to follow that spirals properly. In those areas you can follow this technique. Over to the disadvantages of this finger coiling. The number one, I say it consumes a lot of time compared to the other styling. It's not a quick wash styling method. It consumes you a lot of time. My curls length are very short, though it is consuming almost around 15 to 20 minutes of my time in styling itself. So if you have a long hair, then think about the time. It is going to consume you a lot of time compared to the other techniques. And if you are lazy persons like me, then you probably choose the other styling method than this. And one more thing, what I feel is that this definition is completely a bomb. The definition is so good, you are going to love the definition a lot. But the only thing I can see, once the definition is like formed, my curls are, when I compare my curls with the extension that we get in a market, like the wig that I'm mentioning, it is going to be pretty same. Hope you like this video. If you like it, please do like it, share with your friends, subscribe to Curl TV. If you don't want to miss out any of my videos, then please click on the bell notification over there, and you can also reach me out in Instagram at Curly Chick. Bye, see you soon in another video.